Good morning, everyone. My name is Sriharshni and UG Scholar from Learning Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am here to represent a review on the applications of the nature-inspired optimization algorithms. I am going to discuss the following topics. Firstly, abstract. So, the discipline of nature-inspired algorithms is major field of computational intelligence, sound computing, and optimization at large. So, these are the main things which are attractive to the researchers in giving an interest on the nature inspired algorithms. So these algorithms are being used in many fields such as science, engineering, industry, business, economics, and etc. So the nature inspired algorithms can be broadly classified into two types, that is evolutionary algorithms and also swarm intelligence. So the purpose of presenting this paper is how is the nature inspired optimization algorithms are used in our electrical engineering. So, introduction. So, in this world, we live together with the animals in the species. So, the technique mainly nature inspired computing is a technique that is inspired by process and observed from the nature. So, firstly, to understand these algorithms, we need to understand the behavior of the nature and the species animals provided around us. So the main thing of this is to optimize the engineering problems. So the purpose of developing such algorithms is only to optimize the engineering problems. As the world moving towards the industrialization, engineering problems are becoming more and more complex. So the nature-inspired algorithms may or can be used to solve or optimize the problems. The main objective of this is to find a global optimal solution of any problem. So there are two main key factors in this algorithm, that is explanation, exploitation, and exploration. So in this paper, I'm going to discuss some applications of this. So they are genetic algorithms, anti-colony optimization algorithms, particle swarm optimization algorithms, artificial bee colony optimization algorithms, and firefly and cuckoo search algorithms. So firstly, genetic algorithm. So this is proposed by the uh, proposed by John Holland in 1960s and during 1960s and 1970s. This is a process of natural selection and evolution. So it is mainly taken from the motivated from the Darwin's theory of evolution. So the performance of a genetic algorithm is of four factors, that is a population size, mutation rate, crossover rate, and number of generations. So to determine the best individual among population, genes of corresponding individuals are evaluated against the objective function. So over generations, the population evolves towards the better solution. So genetic algorithm is often used for optimization of this problem. So it is mainly used in economic load dispatch, reactive power control, power flow studies, and optimal controllers. So next, ant colony optimization. So this is the algorithm proposed by the Marco Dorigo in 1992. So it is a foraging behavior of ants. So the main uh, the main thing of this algorithm is uh, it is inspired by the behavior of the ant. It can optimize problems by simulating the behavior of ants searching for the shortest path for the nest or a food. The behavior of ants is like this. So ants establish their communication to trails of their pheromone. When an ant comes out, when an ant comes out of their nest or their home to search for food, they move randomly in a direction, leaving pheromone in their path. On reaching the food source, ant return back with the food. leaving pheromone again on the same path. Hence, the path with the highest amount of pheromone represents the shortest route for ants uh, from nest to the food source. So, ant colony optimization is applied on various optimization problems, including routing, scheduling, and graph problems. So, next one is particle swarm optimization. So, it is developed by J. Kennedy and R. Edelhart in 1995. So, uh, it is mainly abstracted from or inspired by the behavior of the bird flockings. Uh, we can see bird flockings in the sky. They have their flocking behavior determines the optimum solution. So it is a population based stochastic optimization algorithm. So in particle swarm optimization, a population of particles moves through a search space, each particle representing a potential solution. So their position and velocities are based on their uh, own best known position. The entire swarm will be in best known position. So the shortest path followed by a bird is considered to be the local or particle best solution. Particles tend to move towards its local best position. So PSO has been widely used in continuous optimal solution problems. So the next one is artificial bee colony optimization. So this is mainly inspired by the behavior of the honeybees. So the honeybees, uh, of- one of the honeybee called a scout bee randomly searches food randomly searches food source position. These food source position are exploited by employed bees and they communicate nectar between them. So this is developed by the Davis Carbonga in 2005. So artificial bee colony optimization algorithm represents a potential solution by the bees. So, as I told you, bees search for food sources by exploiting known food sources and exploring new ones. So, ABC is applied in various optimization problems, including function optimization, scheduling, and clustering. So, the next one is Firefly and Cuckoo search algorithm. So, Firefly and Cuckoo search is a math heuristic algorithm. So, it is developed by Shin Yang and Suhas Deb in 2009. So, Firefly and Cuckoo search algorithms are two separate algorithms, but they are mentioned together because they are both similar in nature. So, Firefly is inspired by the flashing behavior as fireflies. Uh, they select their home nest by randomly taking over the nest of some other birds for reproduction. They lay their eggs in selected nest of host. So they lay their eggs in selected nest of host bird and drop the host bird's egg. So this is the behavior of the cuckoo bird. So each egg in nest represents one solution, and cuckoo bird's egg represents a new solution. Firefly algorithm is mainly inspired by the flashing behavior of the fireflies. So each firefly represents a potential solution. So both firefly and cuckoo search algorithm are nature inspired materialistic algorithms, as I said before. So these are aim to find the optimal solution by behavior of specific organisms or phenomena. So conclusion is that in this paper, different nature-inspired optimization algorithms have been explained in detail. with their applications which are used in electrical engineering. So in this nowadays, nature inspired algorithms is the major role in a current research. So this review can present the outline features of different algorithms and their applications. And next, these are the main references I have been taken from, and I have represented them in my paper. And thank you.